What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. What we're going to be doing today is we're going to be working on the 1993 Chevy Blazer, aka Blackie. I have a power steering pump right here. Oh, my thing here. I'm tired of trying to drive it and kind of go, "Rrr," and then have to like put the truck in neutral, hit the gas, and then do the whole turn thing, and then reverse, and then help put it back in neutral, rrr, drive, and then I don't make it because I cut it too short or blah blah blah, and yeah, I'm tired of doing that stuff with it. So we got a nice power steering pump. We're gonna open this box up real quick. Alright, so guys, here's our power steering pump. Here's our brand new one. So let's go out there and just go look at how we're gonna have to take this apart. Alright, so we're definitely gonna be taking the belt off. Looks like we gotta take the pulley off, but we also gotta take off the alternator bracket, and then then we'll go from there. All right, guys. So what I got here, I took the alternator off. I actually took the fan guard off. I took the fan off. What else did I take off? Anything else? Yeah, just the belt, and that was it. So I gotta go to AutoZone to get a pulley puller, a power steering pulley puller. Make it a lot easier. I don't think there's really any other way to do it. But after we did that, what I saw in one video, one guy doing, there's two bolts behind here, and the two bolts come out. Then I'll be able to rotate this, and then I get that one bolt back there. So I'm gonna go to AutoZone and rent the tool for it. I'll catch up with you guys when I come back. All right, guys. Here's the pulley puller. I'm trying to figure out how to use it, but I guess I'm gonna read this thing here, and then I guess whatever it tells me to do, I'm gonna do here, and I'll get back to you guys on how this thing actually works. Alright guys, I figured out how this thing works. So you have this thing here, this goes like this, down there onto that. And then you have these guys here, oh, hold on. You have these guys right here. Now these guys hook onto here like this, and then the other side of this gets hooked onto here like this, and then that clamps on. That's how this clamps onto that, which I'll show you guys right now. So I got it on here. I'm gonna take this off to show you. So this is clamped onto here like this, and what this does, you gotta hold a wrench on this bolt here, then you take an impact or a wrench or a ratchet, whatever you want, and basically you're just gonna be tightening this up. This will be holding here, and it'll be pulling this pulley right off the whole thing. All right, guys, I got my pulley off. That came off actually really easy. All I used was a wrench in my what do you call it? I think it was at the half inch ratchet, and came right off without any type of issue. Actually, only one good turn, and it was simple from there. But so now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna detach these two bolts here, so that I'm able to turn the pump so I can get to that other bolt, and I'm also going to remove this whole bracket right here. Alright guys, I got the old power steering pump out. I gotta get these things off for the new pump. To be honest, you actually don't have to take off the bracket. I just found out. I don't know why everyone says take off the bracket, because it just slides straight down, and that's it, and comes out. So you don't have to take off the bracket. It may make it easier, it may not, who knows. I'm not gonna take it off. I'm gonna put the screws I took out back in. So I got the bracket on here. I put some of the bolts back in there. I just gotta go to the store. I'm gonna get a new pressure hose. I'm gonna get a new pressure hose because, like I said, I was leaking, and it's a pain in the ass to change it because it's back here, and that'll be facing all the way over here. So I don't feel like changing it when it's already in. So I'm going to change it now. Alright guys, so I got our power steering fluid. Oh yes, I got that too. But I got the line. I'm gonna go back, install this, and we're gonna see how it goes. Alright guys, so I just got the pulley put back in. I use this tool right here, and all you do is just put this. You just put this in like this, screw this in. Then you have one wrench hold this side, and you use one wrench and you crank this. Tighten this up to push against this, and this will squeeze back onto the shaft. So now all I gotta do is just put the alternator back on, the fan back on, and then I just gotta put the fan guard over there back on. And then I'll pretty much be done, and we can start the truck up and, well, put some fluid in, which I already did, and then start the truck up and we'll see how it goes. All right guys, I got the fan on, I got the pulley on, I got everything all together now. I just gotta put the belt on and I'm good to go. All right guys, we got everything back together. I just gotta tighten up the fan a little bit, I think, and also put the fan guard back on. But I did run it, it is working right. Let's start it up real quick. All right, and we got power steering back. Now I didn't really show you guys the power steering before, but before this would not move at all. All right. Yeah, we're running low on gas, so I turned it off. So I got on finished buttoning that up. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please leave a like down below, comment down below, and also guys, please subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one.